Sam's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy XCover6 Pro for AT&T. So the XCover6 Pro is a new smartphone for AT&T. It recently got released. It's available now in black. It's available now for $16.67 a month. The full retail price is $599.99 for this phone. This is a rugged smartphone. So if you guys are looking to get a rugged smartphone on AT&T, the Galaxy XCover6 Pro could be one for you guys to check out there. This one is also available on Verizon as well, so pretty cool there. So that is the front of the phone there. Very nice looking phone that has your teardrop notch front facing camera there. Power button on the right side of the phone there. I'm guessing this is your volume keys on the right side. On the left side, you probably have like a button for to do something else. So that's pretty cool. So yeah. Like I said, $16.67 a month. 128 gigabytes of storage. So, not bad, you know. For a retail price of $599.99. So there's the front of the phone there. There's the left side. You do have your button there. I guess you can program it to do whatever you want with it. So it's pretty cool there. That's the right side. Power button, volume keys there. The left side has that button there. Like I said, you can probably program the button to do whatever you guys want. It could be a push to talk button. I'm not really sure though. Right side, power button, volume keys. Like I said. On the top of the phone is a headphone jack. Not sure what this is, so pretty interesting. On the back of the XCover6 Pro is a dual camera setup. It looks like dual flash on the back as well. Samsung logo, and yeah. And there's the back of it again. Like I said, dual camera flash, which is pretty cool. Samsung logo and whatnot. So overall, not a bad looking phone in my opinion. So yeah, I think it looks very nice, you know. Overview here says the Samsung Galaxy XCover6 Pro is a true gem in the rugged lineup with its improved fast processor, camera, 5G, and Wi-Fi 6 capabilities. You have rugged at your fingertips and a device less than 1 centimeter thick, with features like its intuitive white glove screen, which is very nice, programmable buttons, and fast charge removable battery. The XCover6 Pro is sure to stand out. So yeah, you do get a removable battery on this one, which is very nice. That's that's rare now, because a lot of phones now have embedded batteries. This one, you can remove the battery and replace it. If you guys ever need to replace your battery, you can do that on this one. Just swap up the battery and you're good to go. You can use gloves on this phone. You can use gloves to touch the screen, and it will work just fine. And you can use white hands and stuff like that. So pretty cool. Videos and images, and I'll show you guys more pictures of the phone here. Alright, so here we go. There's the left side. It has that button on there. Right side, power button, volume keys. There's the left side. Like I said, it does have that button. You can probably reprogram the button to do whatever you want, or it's probably a push to talk button. So right side, like I said, power button, volume keys. Stop the phone is your headphone jack, noise cancellation microphone. The red button, I don't know what that does. And then on the bottom of the phone, we didn't get to see that at the beginning. That y'all guys get your speaker, Type C charging port, microphone, and that is it. Your headphone jack is on top, which is very nice to see because a lot of phones now do not have a headphone jack. This one does have one, but you can use Bluetooth if you want. On the back of the phone is your dual camera setup, but do it along with your dual LED flash, Samsung logo. And one that there is more images of the back, so very nice looking phone. There is front and back. Features and specs. For $600 you're getting a pretty decent phone here. You will get 5G of course, and the latest Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, so that's very nice. Fast charging, removable battery, 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel camera, 13 megapixel front facing camera, wet glove touchscreen, so you can use gloves with the touchscreen and it will work just fine, and you can use wet hands and all that, so that's pretty sweet. If you're outside and it's raining or whatever and you guys need to use your phone, you can use gloves to use the phone and it will work just fine. Dimensions on the Galaxy XCover6 Pro: 6.5 inches height, 3 inches width, and 0.4 inches depth. The phone weighs 14 ounces, so this is a hefty motherfucker here, so keep it in mind. Display 6.6 inches, Full HD plus, 2408 by 1080 pixels, 16 million colors. Camera and video there. You do get 2 cameras on the back at 50 megapixel. That's your main camera. 8 megapixel ultra wide camera on the back. F1.8 aperture focal length. Excuse me. Video capture Full HD. Video capture Full HD at 30 frames. Video playback Full HD at 30 frames. Front facing camera. It says 13 megapixels on the quick specs, but it says here 12.8 megapixels fixed focus, f2.0 aperture, so it's probably 13 megapixels or something like that. So pretty interesting there. You do have a 4050 mAh battery. It is removable. I don't know why it says it's not removable here, but the battery is removable, so if you guys need to replace the battery, you can do that. 44 hours of talk time, 13.3 days of standby time. Fast charging, chipset Snapdragon 778 processor. That is the 5G chipset, octa-core processor. Memory 128 gigabytes of storage, 1 terabyte of micro SD expansion, 6 gigabytes of RAM. Android 12 with One UI 4.0, so it's pretty good there, and you should get Android 13 on this at some point as well, with One UI 5 on here at some point. But you will get Android 12 on board out of the box, so keep that in mind. Alright. Wireless technology, you do get 5G on here, which is very nice. 4G LTE, of course. There's your bands there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 20, 28, 29, 30, 38, 40, and 41. 3G GSM, JBL phone, which is quad band, HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity, 8 to 11 ABGN and AC, AX and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity there for your Wi-Fi, which is very nice. You do get, you also get NFC, so you can use Samsung Pay, Google Pay, and stuff like that. Bluetooth 5.2 mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. Wireless emergency alerts. Takes a nano SIM card, which is pretty much standard now. Your sensors on the phone. Alright, so barometer, ambient light, barometer, fingerprint, which is probably a in-display fingerprint sensor, which is cool. JavaScript proximity, digital compass, messaging and email there. Music is YouTube music, so it's pretty cool there. YouTube music is really cool. I tried it out for the first time. I got a 2-week free trial of YouTube music, and I think it's pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? So check that out. And there's just that accessibility there, sustainability and whatnot, product codes and whatnot. What comes in the box is your quick start guide and Type-C charging cable. You probably will not get a charging brick in the box, so you guys will have to get your own charging brick if it does not come with one, which I would not be surprised if it does not come with one. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy XCover6 Pro is now here at AT&T for $599.99 for a retail price. So if you guys are looking to get a rugged smartphone on AT&T, this is a phone that's worth checking out here. This is great for like construction workers and stuff like that. So if you guys do anything outside, like if you guys do like any construction outside or whatnot, this is a phone for you, because it has everything that you guys would want in a rugged smartphone. It has really good specs for what it is, and I think it's worth $600 in my personal opinion. I would pick it up if I had the money, you know what I mean? So yeah, pretty nice looking phone. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Well, let's smile a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.